Traders, welcome back. It's Afonso with Afonso Analysis, and if you didn't know, now you know, and I'm back with another banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money trading correlations. And if you don't know what correlations are, a simple Google search will definitely answer that for you. You just need to go to Google. Oops, I just typed my name there. Just kind of a habit, really. Every time I come to Google, I just have to type my name first just to center myself and see if I'm still on top of the world. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm all over Google. But anyway, I digress. When you search the definition of correlations or Forex correlations on Google, you will find that it is a statistical measure of how two securities move in correlation to each other. In simple terms, to put it in Forex trading, this means finding pairs that move to the same direction. So for example, if we look at Euro USD here, every time the Euro USD is pushing to the downside, if we zoom out here and notice that every time the Euro USD is pushing to the downside, then we know for sure that the GBP USD will also be pushing to the downside. This is what correlations are, and this is called positive correlation. This means the GBP USD and the Euro USD are positively correlated because they move to the same direction almost all the time. But another side of this is a negative correlation. Now, negative correlation means it's moving to the opposite side. So for example, if we look at GBP USD and Euro USD, they are negatively correlated to the DXY, because whatever the DXY is doing, these pairs will be doing the complete opposite. So if the Euro USD or GBP USD is falling, then we know for sure that the DXY is definitely pushing to the upside. So if you're trading this way, it really increases your edge on the market, because all you have to do is just come here in the morning and check what is the DXY doing today. Is the dollar going up or is the dollar going down? And once you find that answer, then you found your answer to the Euro USD and the GBP USD. Now, I didn't just start trading like this, guys. Actually, I really lost a lot of money before I knew about correlations. Otherwise, I would have been way far in my trading career. But you know, there's no use bitching about it. So this is what I want to show you guys today, because I chose these pairs quite deliberately. I also trade the New Zealand dollar USD, but it hasn't been moving to my satisfaction for the past month now, and you know, I'm just giving it a break, and now I'm just left with these three: the DXY, Euro USD, and the GBP USD. And this really simplify my trading. As you can see here, every time I'm making money on the dollar, I'll be making money on the Euro USD, and I'll be making money on the GBP USD. So the simplest way to find which pairs correlate with each other, I mean, you can Google and stuff like that, but that's kind of caveman vibes, if you get what I mean. Now, in today's age, you just need to go to my FX book, and I'm gonna leave my FX link underneath this video. It's a free platform. Anybody can sign up for my FX book, and it's just a must for every trader to have. You know, it tells you everything. You can add your account here and track your performance. You can check, you know, you can check everything. You can check the news, you can check which news are coming out today, you can check anything trading related, really. But what I want us to focus on today is correlations. So I just need you to go to correlations, and you will see here that these are the pairs that correlate with each other. Now, this table will let you know which pairs correlate with which pairs, either positively or negatively, and by how much. For example, if we compare the correlation between the Australian dollar CAD against the Euro OD, we can see that it's negatively correlated by negative 49.7%. If we're looking, for example, at this pair here, what is this? CHF SGD, I don't know what is that, but let's say you are trading that. If we are looking at that compared to Euro dollar, we can see that every time we are buying this weird pair here, then we might as well buy the Euro dollar, because it's gonna go up. It has 89.7% chances of going up. Same thing with CHD JPY. If we are buying the CHF JPY, then we might as well buy the Euro USD, because we have 83.7% of it going to the same direction. And I don't know if this is opening your eyes, guys, but this is such critical information. You can just spend some time on this table here and just pick the pairs that positively correlate with each other, and you can just start making money from there. For example, if you decide to go to your chart today and see that the New Zealand dollar USD is going up, then you might as well buy the Euro USD, because you have 88.6% chances of it going up. What about the GBP USD that I'm trading? I just told you guys that every time I'm buying the Euro USD, then the GBP USD, I'm buying it as well. Where's the Euro USD? Let's just go there so we can see if I'm really talking sense here. I just want to find the Euro USD and I want to compare it to the GBP USD. Look at that, 95.8%. So it's almost guaranteed that every time I buy the Euro USD, then I might as well buy the GBP USD, and that is what I've been doing, guys. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I always get these things right. Well, not always, but most of the time I predict my directions right, and this is because I've mastered this correlation here. And just to give you an example, guys, going back to just to give you an example of I know what I'm talking about here. If we go back to home, actually just passed my funded challenge. I took a funded challenge and I just passed it. So we're just gonna go to my portfolio here on my account here, Afonso here, and I just want to show you, because I just passed a trading challenge now, but I want to show you that I've been doing this, man. Look at that. Started a bit rough, but just like any other trader, I managed to make some losses here on this day here, but it is what it is, and I started regaining most of my trades, to be honest with you. And as you can see, I was actually at 10.39%, but I thought, let me just take one last trade, and that one didn't go my way, but nonetheless I passed the challenge. But I want us to go to my history here, guys, because I want you guys to see what it takes to be a trader, man, because these are trades over a period of a month. If we check here, this is what, the 28th of July, but I started trading this account here on the, was it the 2nd? Let's just go back. It was the 3rd. I started trading it on the 3rd, and as you can see, I started with a 0.10. I was just trying to test the waters just to see, and as you can see, man, I've been making some profits, I've been taking some losses, like any other trader out there, but overall we've been really profitable based on my risk to reward. Also, let's just look at my risk to reward, guys. Look at how much I lose every time I lose compared to how much I win when I win. This is the beauty of risk management, which I've been talking about on my channel, but that's a topic for another day. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. And if you check here, these are the only trades that I trade. It's just the Euro USD, the dollar index, and the GBP USD, as well as the New Zealand dollar USD. These are the only 4 pairs that I trade, and I chose these pairs based on correlations. So just spend some time on this table here, guys. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to my FX book. It's a free platform. I believe every trader must have a my FX book. If you don't have my FX book, in fact, if you have a guru who is trying to teach you forex trading, just ask for their my FX link and just check their account, check their profits, check their losses, check if they are really what they say they are about. But this is the forex correlation table, guys. Just spend some time here and just pick your pairs and come back to the charts and execute. But nonetheless, today is the 1st of August, 34 minutes past 4 a.m. It's still pretty early in the morning. I really like working at night, man. Trading the Tokyo sessions, it's really calm. There's no unexpected price movements, and as you can see here, we are deep in profit. So I'm just going to manage these trades here, guys, and I just take some of the profits of the market. And that is what I always preach, that if you're in a trade, just make sure you move your stop loss, collect some of the profits, so that if this thing decides to turn on you, then at least you know you have something to show for. I believe we're going to hit our take profit before London opens at 9 a.m. here in South Africa, but that's just how I do. Let's just go to GBP USD, and I'm going to be managing that as well, moving my stop loss just to collect some of the profits. Now, when you move your stop loss, guys, don't just place your stop loss anywhere, right? I believe I'm going to make a video about how to place your stop loss and take profits, if that will help you guys. If you want to see a video like that, just make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment down below. But every time I manage my trades, I make sure that I have some sort of weeks to protect me should this thing come back. At least I will have this week here to reject the market back to the downside. downside. Whereas if I just place my stop loss here, what if the market just weak to the upside and continue going to the downside? I'll be out of the trade for no reason. So it's very important to manage your stop losses based on some weeks, but I will definitely make a video about that. But yeah, that's it for today, folks. That was the video about how to trade correlations. It's Afonso with Afonso analysis. I hope this video really helped you, and if it did help you, man, please make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another bang.